Hello everyone and welcome to this video. Today we're going to be talking about the Nexus Cestos. So let's get started. So this is the Nexus Cestos itself. It's a very elegant looking anal plug. And this aluminium vibrating butt plug has a remote control and provides greater anal stimulation, so it's perfect for couples. As you can see, it's a very challenging size and gives a pleasant full feeling. It has stimulating ribbon which also provides extra pleasure and is suitable for temperature play. Now there are 6 vibration settings and patterns to choose from, and you can also activate the escalation mode, which is the highest mode as well. So to turn on, press and hold down, a green light will come on. Press once more and it's on. To change settings, simply tap and choose your favourite. To connect the remote control, it's very simple. Click once and it will flash. Click again. And simply tap and choose your desired setting as well. Make sure the remote control is turned off. And to turn off, simply press and hold down. And it's now off. The toy is waterproof and can be charged very simply and easily as well, using the magnetic USB charging cable provided. Simply attach it like so, and it will charge quickly and easily for you. You can also charge the remote with the same charger. Very simple and easy to charge both. Now when using the Nexus Cestos, we recommend that you use either a water-based lubricant, or you can also use a silicone-based lubricant. The choice is up to you. And of course make sure to clean after every use using a toy cleaner and a dry lint-free cloth for good hygienic use. And that is the Nexus Cestos. If you have any questions, drop a comment below and we will get back to you as soon as possible. Thank you so much for watching and we'll see you again next time.